Hello. Eugene Halliday, who lived between 1911 and 1987, was an accomplished artist, writer, and speaker. He was interested in science and a teacher of philosophy, mainly in the northwest of England. He left a vast body of work that is amazingly relevant today. This is available through the Eugene Halliday Association website. This video, however, is going to concentrate on just one of his many ideas, and one of his most important. It is called interfunction. Interfunction explains how you and your experiences are connected to everything that surrounds you, and how everything and everyone is connected to everything else. It even explains how the universe is put together. By combining interfunction with Alfred North Whitehead's idea of a process universe, it becomes obvious that electricity, magnetism, space, time, energy, and most importantly, awareness are all part of the same process. So let's have a look at an example of interfunction. Think about the process of experiencing a car journey. How many different things have to come together in just the right way for this person to have this experience? First of all, the car has to be present and all the bits have to be working. The road wheels, the steering wheel, the engine, the fuel, the gearbox, the energy released by the fuel to drive the engine, and the list goes on and on. And of course, the person having the experience has to be present. They have to be aware of their surroundings. So they have to have a sense of sight and a sense of hearing. So they have to have eyes and ears, and the eyes have to have photosensitive receptors, and these have to have the correct molecular makeup. Again, the list can go on and on. It seems trivial, but the scenery itself has to be present. This scenery is made up of mountains, trees, snow, and tarmac. There is a blue sky with a fluffy cloud. The mountains are made of rocks weathered into certain shapes. And again, the list can go on and on. All these things are necessary for this person to have the unique process experience of this car journey. So why am I emphasizing necessary? The reason is that if any one of these necessary process attributes is missing, then this person's experience of this car journey will not exist. This is demonstrated by the fact that this photograph, with all the details of this unique experience, could not have been taken. So if at the outset of the journey a tyre was found to have a puncture, or the gearbox was broken, or the person was someone else, or a landslide blocked the road, or the weather was different, then this person's experience would not exist. Some other similar experience might exist, but not the one illustrated in the picture. This common sense description of a car journey seems trivial, but it is extremely important. It is demonstrating the concept of interfunction. This is the idea that the very existence of something relies inextricably from the existence of other things. So is there an ultimate process that everything else relies upon for its existence? And what might this be? This channel explores how, in line with Alfred North Whitehead's process philosophy, everything in the universe might be made from fundamental processes that consists of pairs of oscillating quantum electrons. Countless numbers of these quantum processes build the universe. Let's just concentrate on one of them. Suppose that the oscillating process is equivalent to the process of the car journey that we looked at. We can ask the question, what are the interfunctional properties necessary for this fundamental property for this fundamental process to exist? Well, first of all, there are two quantum electrons, and it is obvious that if either of them were missing, then this process would not exist. So we can say that electricity, in the form of quantum electrons, must exist and is an interfunctional property of the process. There is a distance between the two quantum electrons. If this distance was missing, then the process would not exist. So distance is an interfunction of the process. The oscillation takes place in time. Again, if there was no time, the process would not exist. So time is an interfunction of the process. The electric energy providing the force driving the electrons apart is also an interfunction of the process. And the boundaries of the process are also interfunctions of the process. If there were no boundaries, there would be no oscillation. This fundamental process relies on the existence of many interfunctions. But there is one interfunction that is crucially important if we are to get to the explanation of consciousness. This interfunction is awareness. When the quantum electrons reach their outer boundaries, they reverse direction because of the external electrical forces. This means that in a real sense, the quantum process is aware of its boundaries. So awareness is an interfunction of the quantum process. So when, as proposed, we build a process universe by adding together countless numbers of fundamental electric quantum processes, we simultaneously build a space universe, an energy universe, a charge universe, and a time universe. And crucially, we can build an aware universe. By combining the ideas of Alfred North Whitehead and Eugene Halliday, we can build a universe with awareness at its very foundation. This is a game changer. In the next video, we're going to see how Arthur Koestler's idea of holons combined with Alfred North Whitehead's and Eugene Halliday's ideas bring into being not just a physical universe, but this wonderful universe full of life and consciousness. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to find out when the next video is ready. Or, if you want to find out more about reality and consciousness, go straight to the numbered videos in this playlist. Bye for now. Thank you.